how you going? I'm Leah from Leah's Cookbook Ideas, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to make my nan's delicious almond biscuits. So let's go and I'll show you how. Alrighty, I have got my oven preheating at 180 degrees and I've got my ingredients in front of me for my almonds biscuits, my nan's almond biscuits. So I have 250 grams of softened butter that I've got in the bowl. I have 1 cup of castor sugar, 1 packet of slithered almonds. I have 1.5 cups of plain flour and half a cup of self-rising flour, and I'm going to add a dash of vanilla essence. Now I'm going to cream the butter and the sugar first, and then I'm going to add the almonds and the flour and then the vanilla essence. So let's go. I'm going to get my wooden spoon and I'm going to mix and cream the butter and the sugar. Now that I've started to cream my butter and my sugar, it's nearly done. So I'm giving it a good old mix till it's all combined. See? And then I'm going to add my vanilla essence. A splash of vanilla essence. Give that a mix. So I'll tell you a funny story. My nan rang me and she said, I've been watching your YouTube videos and I love them, Leah, but you know what would be great? You should do my almond recipe. People would love it. So you should really give this a go because they are super delicious. Okay, now it's time for the flour and the almonds. Yum. Mix all that in. So now I'm mixing this all together. Okay, now these are all combined. I'm going to roll these in bowls and I'm going to put them on 2 trays that are lined with baking paper, and I'm going to cook them for about 5 to 8 minutes or until they're light golden colour. Okay, now I'm going to roll them all into little balls and then I'm going to cook them for, like I said, 5 to 8 minutes until they're lightly golden. I've rolled the biscuit dough into balls, flatten them with a fork. Now it's time for the oven. Okay, so here are my biscuits out of the oven. Now it's time to taste. Yum, I can't wait. Okay, now it's time to taste the almond biscuits. Yum, I can't wait. Okay, here we go. Here they are. So tasty. I love almonds. So if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time for another fun video. And why not try this recipe out? It's so easy. Bye.